So the idea is the user makes a request to the Nginx endpoint, and the Nginx decides to give that request whatever internal server is available at the moment. That should make things more fast. Hey everybody, welcome back to the third part of the AiStickerMaker devlog. Very excited about this one because I finally got my Google developer account and I can make Android apps. So we're going to refactor this app that was initially intended to be a web app for mobile, but now we're going to be fully Android, so that's going to be exciting, and we are going to grab this and transform it into a flutter app. So let's do that. Alright, so unfortunately I lost the footage of me doing the first part, the first things in the application. I didn't do much. I only have like a basic layout. The functionality, I don't have the functionality yet. That's going to be what we're going to do now to show what the app looks like now. So we have a left drawer here with these buttons that sort of works, and the user on the main page are going to see this. I mean, this is going to be refactored later on to something, I don't know what yet, but this is not going to look this ugly in production. Then the Explore tab, here's where the community can show the stickers. Here in the My Gallery are going to be your stickers, so that's going to be awesome. And now in the home page, you can select this floating button and grab an image from the camera of the file system. Okay, I think this crash. Okay, it turns down that the camera doesn't work for some reason. Maybe I'm recording and doing the emulator at the same time and doesn't work. So you can either go for the camera or select one for the gallery. And here is a selection page that I need to work on now. In this selection page, you're going to select what you're going to do. Either you want a sticker or a function that are going to be in the future. So that's going to be awesome. Now I'm going to work on this, and I see you when I have something to show. All right, so this is what I have done. We have here the first page that the user sees. Is going to be sort of an explanation page that the user is going to have what the app does. For example, here the first is the vanilla sticker that costs 12 flop coins, and this is the standard one. It only crops the face. Then the floating head, they are going to do like you can upload a like 5-second video and it's going to remove your face and return like a little animation of that. And then I have here other ones that I need to think what exactly are going to be, but it's going to be really fun to implement that. So alright, I think the first page is looking alright for the moment. I didn't implement this yet, but it's working. Here I don't have anything, but here's going to be the information when the user logs in. If I implement that, then the settings are the same. I think the settings are going, this dialog here, are going to move that to another page, the selection page. So the user can of course go to the select or the upload button and select from the camera or for the gallery. For example, for the gallery, here the selection of what the user what to make. For example, the vanilla sticker, the floating head, or the sticker with a style. But I have already implemented a loading screen here and a loading of the incoming images. Here is a random image from Unsplash, but it's going to be the same. So what I'm going to do now is go to a server, a VPN that I have for this project, and implement all of that. I'm really happy with the way this is going. So now I'm going to implement the server. So I tried to make sort of an explanation for the server while I was setting it up, but it went horrible, and also it was a little bit boring, so let's do an overview of what I did in the server. So first I set up the firewall so no bad people can access the internal servers. I then installed Nginx. Nginx is a server and load balancing, and that's exactly what I'm going to do with that. So then I start the process of the AiStickerMaker internal servers. Then I set up the right proxy in Nginx, so there is only one API endpoint, and Nginx takes care of load balancing. And so I'll have 4 internal servers. This VPN has 4 cores, so I think that should hold. But it only has 8 GB RAM, so it might explode in the future. So If the demand of the app is big, I should get a better one. So the idea is the user makes a request to the Nginx endpoint, and the Nginx decides to give that request to whatever internal service available at the moment. That should make things more fast. I use systemd daemons to start these 4 internal servers, so if one of those crashes, the daemon is going to go up again, or that's the idea. Alright, so this is as far as I get in this one. I'm recording this while I'm editing part 4, so the app is really done at this moment. So if you want to see that, subscribe and give it a like. At the moment, the app is in the review process, so hopefully Google will accept the app. Hope you enjoyed this one. Pretty soon I'm going to have part 4 and part 5, where I'm going to show you how the app is going and the updates that I make. I have lots of app ideas, so stick around to see them. See you in the next one. Bye.